It's December 31st, 1944. High above Germany, inside the cockpit of the B-17, the little skipper, Second Lieutenant Glenn Rojohn, and his co-pilot, Second Lieutenant William Leake, grip their controls tight. Their mission: bomb Hamburg's oil refineries. As they approach, the sky erupts with flak. Explosions bloom all around, filling the air with burning metal. One by one, B-17s are ripped apart and vanish into black smoke. When the smoke marker appears over the docks, Rojohn gives the order: "Open bomb bay doors." The bombardier, Sergeant James Shirley, confirms. "Bombs away!" The massive payload drops, streaking down toward the target below. The ball turret gunner cheers. "Right on target!" But celebration doesn't last long. As the formation turns for home, 50 German fighters rush in. Me-262 jets screaming past, Bf-109s diving from above, FW-190s swarming like hornets. Tracers flash everywhere. B-17s twist and fall. "Faithful forever going down," comes a radio call. Its pilot barely manages to level out before his crew bails safely. Rojohn's formation is shredded. Then, relief. American P-51 Mustangs swoop in, scattering the Germans. "Thank God," someone mutters. The fighters race off to defend others, and the little skipper pushes on alone toward the sea. Over the coast, more flak bursts below them. The turbulence is brutal. Then the worst call: "Bandits, 11 o'clock!" Another wave of German fighters screams in. The B-17s are scattered, limping and bleeding smoke. Rojohn's group fights to stay alive. The lead plane, 9 lives, takes heavy fire. Both pilots killed instantly. Yet somehow, the bomber keeps flying. Dead men still at the controls. Rojohn tries to take lead position, but suddenly, out of nowhere, impact. A deafening crash throws him forward. "What in God's name was that?" he yells. Instruments flicker. Leake looks out the window, frozen. "Glenn, we're sitting on another fort." 9 lives had collided mid-air, its nose buried in the little skipper's belly. The 2 bombers are locked together, fused in mid-air. Inside 9 lives, Staff Sergeant Edward Woodall claws his way out of the shattered turret, crawling through twisted wreckage. Below him, trapped in his own turret, Joe Russo from the little skipper can't move. He's pinned. Through cracked glass, Woodall sees him praying. "Hail Mary, full of grace." The crew can hear Russo's trembling voice through the intercom. Leake removes his headset to give the man privacy in his final moments. Flames spread across the left wing. Both planes, still locked, are falling. Rojohn wrestles with the controls. "Bill, keep pulling!" He guns the engines, trying to break free. Nothing. The fire grows hotter. "We've got to make land. Crashing at sea means death." Somehow, with superhuman effort, Rojohn and Leake manage to turn the 2 entangled planes toward shore. "It's working!" They see the German coastline ahead, but flak starts again. Bullets from their own ammo cook off in the fire, spraying the sky. "We're almost over land. Get ready to bail." 3 crewmen scramble to free Russo, but the turret won't budge. "There was no means of escape for this brave man," one would later say. One by one, the surviving crew jump through the flames. On the ground below, German gunners stop firing. Even they can see the pair of dying bombers locked together, plunging toward Earth. "Stop firing," one officer yells. "Those poor souls are finished." At 1,000 feet, Rojohn shouts, "Bill, you've got to jump." But Leake shakes his head. "I'm staying, Glenn." The ground rushes up. "Hold her straight, sweet Jesus." Rojohn braces. "Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil." The 2 planes hit. 9 lives explodes first, launching the little skipper forward like a skipping stone before it crashes hard and tears apart. Silence. Then movement. Incredibly, both pilots are alive, only bruised and bleeding. Crawling from the wreckage, Leek tries to light a cigarette only to have a German soldier yell at him. Gasoline is pouring everywhere. "You idiot! You'll blow us all up!" In total, 6 crewmen from the Little Skipper and 4 from 9 Lives survive. For their impossible feat, Rojohn earns the Distinguished Flying Cross, though he never bragged. "In all fairness," he said quietly, "I owe my life to my co-pilot." And that's the story of the 2 B-17s that rode each other down from the sky. But there's another unbelievable tale about a B-17 tail gunner who fell thousands of feet without a parachute and survived. Click here to watch that next.